your recipe for financial success. Our new podcast coming soon to a kitchen near you. The place to go to hear our favourite recipes to help you bake your way to financial success. Get your aprons at the ready as we share our tips and tricks behind all things finance. From bank accounts to life cover, our new podcast menu has something for everyone.
Tickled your financial taste buds? Why not join us on Tuesday the 28th of July at 7:30pm for your Recipe for Financial Success launch party. Sign up for the event now via our website www.recipeforfinancialsuccess.co.uk. To sweeten the zeal, we will be sending a bottle of Prosecco to the first 40 people who register to enjoy with us on the night.
And remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter to find out what we're up to in the run-up to the launch. We may even share a few of the crumbs from our upcoming podcasts and recipes. We look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday the 28th of July.